Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my another mystery box. I don't know when it came to my house. I'm not lying, it's literally a surprise box because whenever I get international parcel, they always ask for KYC. But UPS never ask for KYC, and that's the thing which I like about this courier company. Okay, so it's opened and it's a cleansing oil from the Orion company. I just love because they gave me two. Now I love creating content and it gives me peace, and I don't care even if anyone like to watch my content or not. And yeah, I will never repeat this sentence again. Okay, so let me show you close up shots. Okay, but before that we have to open this, and let's cut. And now it's opened. See how nice cleanser is this, and the particles is just miracle. Look at this.